Hi everyone, the presentation provides series of recommendations for building the mixed-use commercial and retail hubs. The site's location in centralized place, Rowena, Queensland, which has a mix of soil conditions. The construction timeframe will achieve for 157 weeks. The basic basement construction process has six stages in terms of planning and design related to regulation requirements such as emergency plan and temporary fencing and development assessment is necessary for the earlier project stage. Regularly inspections are important during each stage following the safety precautions. The foundation will utilize large displacements, precast concrete piles, and the large soil volumes displaced during the drilling. High-strength precast concrete piles offer excellent resistance to environment factors, reducing maintaining costs over the building lifespans. The drilling process is relatively quick, allowing for faster project timelines. The precast concrete pile can be more cost-effective due to reduced labor and material costs. In terms of excavation stage, the dewatering system is one of critical parts. Well-pumped system with 100 mm thick PVC bed drilled to 3.5 deep water tables. It provides dry working platforms without causing detrimental effects on foundation on drawing sites. Bottom-up construction methodology has benefits on construction sequence, which have a clearly logical and manageable construction process. Deeper and larger excavation area provide a stable working environment is also easy access for machinery and material, reducing costs, especially soil transportation stage. Design adjustments are available for the early stage of the project when discovering more issues. It can be made without impacting to the entire project. The case study Cutting Edge is located on Melbourne Victoria, which also features deep basements for parking and building service. The case study project successfully addressed the challenge of deep excavations, groundwater management, and the urban site constraints. The project was complete with minimal destruction to the surrounding area.
The consultant group has been considered different types of a retaining wall system. The appropriate system is a second pile wall system by considering ground conditions, for example, excavation in soil or rocks, existing structure on sites and on the adjacent sites, access consideration, and groundwaters. Temporary retaining walls such as shotcrete wall, shoulder pile panel, and shift sheeting posts are not suitable for these projects. The 3.5-meter deep water table is an important factor for estimating the shoulder pile panels, and the 7.5 deep per basement load-bearing capacity for the shotcrete wall is unsafety and unstable structures. Such pile has a great groundwater control, while it is difficult to install into the harsh soil conditions. Second pile wall was a popular choice in constructions for creating retaining wall and the deep excavations. They involve constructing intersecting informed concrete piles which form a continuous barriers that can effectively support soil and water pressures. There are the advantage of using second pile wall systems to minimize the groundwater inflows, making them suitable and excavation below the water table, effective in a wide range of soil conditions, including soft clay and sand. It also minimizes excavation, reduce amounts of soil to be handled and disposed, which lowering environmental and noise impacts. The construction process is less affected by the weather conditions compared to other methods. The case study with Cinimoto projects which we install a 900mm diameter half secant pile wall with a perimeter length of 450 meters and up to 20 meters deep. The station was located with multiple criteria surveys adjacent to the excavations, as well as a historical 150 years old church on higher level footing with settlement issues. The other case study is in the development of the International Tower Sydney project. Secant pile walls were used for the basement excavation to management groundwaters, providing a suitable construction environment is transferring a former container into a mixed-use area with commercial buildings. The project included construction of deep base basement for parking and service. The challenge is a higher groundwater level that the site is next to the scenic habitats. I will pass to my peers Boyan for flow and form systems.
So now I'm honored to discuss the selection and the benefits of the floor slab and floor systems for our project, which includes the podium level, office levels, and basement level. Our project comprises 12 office levels, a podium spanning 2 levels covering 4,000 square meters, and a basement spanning 2 floors with an area of 1,200 square meters. So let's begin with the basement level. For this area, we have selected a combination of reinforced concrete columns and a post-tensioned concrete flat slab with drop panels. This system offers several key advantages. The first one is high structural strength, so it's essential for supporting the 12 office floor above, and reduce the material usage and cost. Optimize the slab thickness, reduce both concrete and steel usage, leading to cost savings and faster construction. The post-tensioning technique allows for quicker curing time and reduces the need for extensive formwork, and enhance the durability, minimize the cracking, and therefore lowers long-term maintenance cost, and increases usable area. So fewer columns means more flexible and efficient space usage, ideal for parking and storage, and it's really important for commercial building. So for the podium level, which spans 2 floors covering 4,000 square meters and features long spans with slight curves, we have selected a post-tensioned concrete flat plant system with reinforced concrete columns. This system provides several key benefits. The first one is structural efficiency. Support large open span spaces with a minimized column obstruction, maximizing usable space for small retail tenants and food courts. And the second is cost and time savings. Post-tensioning accelerates construction time by enabling quicker curing and reducing the need for extensive formwork. And quality and durability. Enhance the durability, minimize cracking, and reduce the long-term maintenance cost. And the design flexibility accommodates the slight curving in the podium level, providing practical benefit. And the next one is the office level. So we can see the blue graph. So this is the case from the Perth. So this case, floor slab and floor system use the post-tension slab and composite floor system, and the combination of post-tension slab and beams is very similar to the office level of this project, which requires a combination of post-tension slab and beams to enhance the stability of the building and to save labor costs in the case of rapid construction. So for the 12 office level, each with an area of 1,500 square meters and featuring slight curves. We have chosen a composite floor system consisting of reinforced concrete beams, reinforced concrete columns, and post-tension precast concrete floor slab. The benefit of this system include the structural strength, provides robust structural strength and high load-bearing capacity, and cost efficiency, utilizing precast components and post-tensioning, optimize material use and reduce the labor cost, and fast construction. Precast component and post-tension allow for quicker construction time, enhanced quality. Post-tension minimized cracking and enhanced durability. Design flexibility accommodate the slight curves in the office tower design. Now is a formwork system. For both the bottom level and the basement, we have selected the DokaFlex 30 formwork system due to its benefits, adaptability, efficiently support large open span and complex geometries, efficiency, modular component allow for quick adjustment and reduce the formwork setup time, leading to labor cost saving. Quality ensures high quality concrete finish and structural integrity. In the bottom level, which employs a post-tension concrete flat plant system with reinforced concrete columns, the DokaFlex 30 system allows for minimal column obstruction, maximizing usable space. In the basement level, its efficiency handle the complex of the drop panels, resulting in streamlined construction practices and quality finish. For the 12-story office tower, the combination of Doka Framax XLF and the DokaFlex 30 formwork system was chosen. Framax XLF ideal for beam and column due to its robust design. Flex 30 efficiency supports the post-tension precast. Now is a steel force system. Use a single set of the steel force across the bottom level, office level, tower, and basement. Offers advantages: time and cost saving. The flexibility and strength of the steel force work enable quicker adaptation to varying floor systems, speeding up construction and reducing labor costs, and consistency and quality. Reusing the same system enhanced structural integrity and enhanced consistent high-quality support, enhancing overall safety and durability.
About the rough foundation on the large tenant building. As a single-story building with a larger area, basic footing is enough to provide load support. Reinforced concrete rough foundation is selected in this case. It allows the load to distribute uniformly in large area and reduces the pressure on the soil. The depth of a rough foundation is around 1500 mm and it's in the refilled soil layer, which keeps the safe distance from the water table. Less groundwork and simple installation means less construction period. However, the vibratory roller and the excavator are applied to compact and excavate the soil. Then the waterproof membrane is set around the rough bottom and seed reinforcement, and finally concrete pouring is processed. After the pouring, joint cutting and the smoothing are included in the work. There are some more design considerations, like more reinforcement is used in the concrete under the wall. Secondly, exposed bolts and inboard the plates from the inside of the concrete will be placed before the pouring for the wall fixing. Using tilt-up construction method for the wall is more efficient, which reduces the construction time and cost. The reinforced concrete is selected as the material because of the low material requirements. In this case, the opening like a door and window should be considered. Using a different formwork for the door and window opening. In addition, the bottom and the top of the panel need holes for the fixing to the foundation and the roof structure. About the insulation, the first one should be the concrete will be poured on the side and contain insulation and reinforcement. After the panel has gained sufficient strength, it will lift it into position, use lifting equipment, and then be fixed vertically to the slab fixing system. And the shim plates will be used between the foundation and the wall panel bottom to adjust the position and create a gap that can be filled with the waterproofing and the sealing material. After all the panels have been fixed vertically, install the stitch plates between the neighboring panels to improve the stability. And the next about the roof system and the columns. The H steel beam and the columns is fixed to the slab and the wall, top of the walls to support the roof system. Since the H steel beam has a high load capacity and able to span longer, the ideal is found above the Brickwork shopping mall in Victoria. In addition, about the roof system, it is designed to use the flat room system, which is same as the Costco in the Ipswich. This type of structure reduces the difficulty and the cost of the construction and shorten the construction period. And the most important is the plans like a HVAC system, like electricity system, can be put on the roof to provide more area to the tenants. For the steel material, galvanized steel is used for the roof structure to decrease the maintenance cost. For the and the installation is about the beam and column first lifted by the crane to be fixed in the correct position, same as well as the roof structure, and installed with the assistance of the workers. Purlin and beams is like create a slide slope for the flat roof. This is for the water excluding. Once the structure is installed, the metal decking specifically is the galvanized steel plate sheeting is laid on the structure and then put the layers on the include the vapor barrier, the waterproof membrane, which with a protection layer. Finally, gravel layer as the roof finish put on. For the facade system, the podium levels are rectangular with an elliptical shape sides, and the customer requires the facade system that can enhance the natural sunlight. The example case is in the One Blake Street in Sydney. They also have the elliptical shape facade system, and the example building uses a double skin curtain wall and the material with good light transmission. Like a low E interior glass and a low iron exterior glass, this combination provides outstanding performance on natural light penetration and noise insulation. To fit this curved side to the building, the unitized panel need to have the turning radius and the length precisely determined by the manufacturer. The principle is air can flow inside in the cavity, which is excellent for noise insulation and temperature regulation. This reduces the building's reliance on mechanical ventilation and air conditioning. The utilized double skin curtain wall panel is more efficient to construct, and the construction period will be shorter and the cost will be lower. The panel support frame is important to select a suitable material, considering the customer asks low maintenance, so the extruded aluminum is selected for the supporting structure, which is long-lasting, lightweight, and corrosion resistant. About installation, the panel is lifted by the lift equipment to the position. Safety secured workers fix the horizontal transom on the panel to the floor slab. And then about the large tenant building, it already have the tear-up concrete wall as the facade system. The similar example is in this Brickwork shopping center. During the plastic phase of the concrete, texture can be added to create an aesthetic surface, and some timber and glazing elements can be added to make it nicely.